It's the RH to the EEE. You're rocking with the best from the CPT. You already know. And I'm Shanjan and Patele 9 either than King to the motherfucking Maya, King Maya, all the way from Mtata. I think this is the first time Fisherisha Nega from Mtata. Yeah, it's the first time Fisherisha Nega from Mtata to one of these episodes, reaction videos. One of the episodes is a KZN lockdown ciphers, you understand? So it's gonna show us how to fucking rap. The only thing, anything I want to hit that like, hit that subscription, comment, and tell me how you feel. Filanjana, does he have bars like that? When a bars Mtata. Lockdown cipher in a bars. KZN lockdown cipher in a bars now. The last time this snake what you call this, versus CPT, the KZN lockdown ciphers. Sakumula. Yeah, man. So this is King Maya bringing us balls. Bringing us some balls. Some balls. Boy. Excited. Hit that like, hit that comment, hit that subscription. Let's fucking go. Beat, yo. Yeah. Somebody tell McLaren to boy. Tell him McLaren to boy. Tell him what? If call him no yaziyo. A comment paisans like I understand. Somebody tell McLaren to boy. Or Pitka McLaren. I don't know, bro. This is the first time I'm hearing this shit. You understand? So somebody tell McLaren to boy. Yeah. Comment, let me know what's up.
Hey, itinza zise King Maya kumkani usuku lesibini kunyanga yesithathu I'm too much lockdown cipher speakers amabhasi ngathi ngikhweshe khulu ukuthi ngipush number ekasi I'm from a city and Mtata is the name, no place for weakness awamkelwa if you lame Listen being why I find it never made the claim so ndifanisa nomlilo wamaphephe yakhe flame.
Why the fuck is Ivana catching strays, dog? Why Ivana catches strays? Aye man, King Maya, aye man. Ivana, why catches strays? Why catches strays, Ivana? But Saya's hip hop, it's that competitive sport, you understand? It's that fucking competitive sport. So anyone can get it, pause, but everyone can get it. You understand? So it is what it is, man. Anyone can get it. Pause. Let's go, King Maya.
Yesithathu I'm too much lockdown cipher speakers amabhasi ngathi ngikhweshe khulu ukuthi ngipush number ekasi I'm from a city and Mtata is the name, no place for weakness awamkelwa if you lame Listen being why I find it never made the claim so ndifanisa nomlilo wamaphephe yakhe flame. Now we bruise your ego, sikuchophela kwesiko, sikujumpisela intoba lento kubaselayo yiko. You die young, but not the hero awungobiko. Niggas capping on the reps, that's one but two lisiko. Go hits up, take one in the
Bring it back. Mamelan pa.
baselayo yiko. You die young, but not the hero awungobiko. Niggas capping on the reps, that's one but two lisiko.
Niggas capping, that's one about two lisiko. I'm paraphrasing. Cap Striko, cap is Striko, niggas capping. Come on, man. Come on. Afuna ucacisela yonke. Sanifuna ucacisela yonke, man. Let's go, King Maya. Let's go.
Sikujumpisela intoba lento kubaselayo yiko. You die young, but not the hero awungobiko. Niggas capping on the reps, that's one but two lisiko. Go hits up, take one in the heads, basokolisa. Socha ponjekele, banbiza uholomisa. Bangena mna nibhekele, okanye nizonipompisa. Khoxesha to just hang around and yonto yokugombisa. Eyam delivery ifika ichisa njengepizza yamadoda. Ifakholwa ungafaki order. Xa nifika khawukujingi kulomboko ndiyabhodla uyeqonda. Original Jan yangena indoda. Known to go solo, Trinity's the motto. I got my own back, kunganbiza uKwazimodo. Opening the doors, dinga
Got my own back, kunganbiza uKwazimodo. ngicela sithi comment so far injani, like cadence, skill set, bars. Does he have bars so far? Does he have bars? Or is just yapping? Does he have bars? You understand? This is like ayo session yami, session yethu. You understand? So ngiyafuneka hit that comment and sibonisane. You understand? About does he have bars like that? Does he have bars like that? Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. King Maya. So far so good. So far so work. So far so 5%, 95. Let me know. Hit that comment section.
Imfakholwa ungafaki order xa fika khawukujingi kulomboko ndiyabhodla uyeqonda original Jan yangena indoda known to go solo Trinity's the motto I got my own back ungandibiza uQuasimodo opening the doors ndingachonga nobankonko next thing is gun pass uvekhala umnqonqo apha kum there's no rapper who is better intshinga yam yatshisa like the belt of the equator the only known rapper who don't believe in haters I know they do it for the cloud mna andizingeni ngithole 100 grand push ifotsho lo nebeki phila on the grind but ismoko lo asipheli shaya DIY ngoba ikopo lo aliveli akat pass tshelo maphuza balethi veni usiba lam lo lenqanda liyaqhophoza that's why I'm running tracks now uyabona ndiyafokofa meta beats it's a bloody scene xa uthiyachonga red everywhere ngathi nthanjiswe ngembola
it's red everywhere ngathi nthanjiswe it's red like Kazi everywhere. Damn. Ngiratsho kanje Mthatha. It's not up to me though. Ngiratsho kanje Mthatha. Hit that comment section, dog. Hit that comment. Hit that comment section, dog. Ngiratsho kanje Mthatha. Man. Let me know what you guys think. Sayqala from Milanduka mna yabo from instrumental is dope like uMac uyakwazi une mentality yo selector a dope beat abantu abaninzi bohlula ukukhetha beat you understand so uMac une good ear for selecting beats. Secondly delivery yakhe is on point. Khange ndive apho ungathi uphelelwa ngumoya, you know what I mean? So he can catch his breath. Breath control ibalulekile guys, breath control. Okwesithathu skill set, yeah, he got bars kwelami ecala like I had some similes, metaphors, punchlines, you understand? He got bars like that. Eyesine, nesihlanu, neyesi-6, neyesi-7, neyesi-8, neyesi-9, neyesi-10. It's for you guys to comment. Hit that like, hit that subscription. Sibe community, sibonisana, you understand that way. But for as far as King Maya goes, for me, I thought he can do it like Nike, you understand? So yeah, man. Iwe enzoyenza nizofaka the original cipher, ilink yayo apha ku description, and then into endifuna undenzele yona to go listen to that shit, watch that shit, and then ubuye uze apha ku comment section. Maybe there's bars that went over my head or that I missed, you understand? And then a comment apha ku section. So hit the like, hit the comment, hit that subscription, share button. Let's fucking go, King Maya. Boom!